Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I am a full-time content creator going on 7 years now, which is crazy. I am actually pregnant with my first baby and I am at 25 weeks, which is just into the 6th month of pregnancy, I believe. The math has been a little bit confusing for me, but I am 25 weeks pregnant. So I still have about 3 more months to go before baby gets here. But in this video, I actually wanted to share with you guys a haul of some baby items that I have been given via PR. So some of these brands reached out to me and some of these brands I reached out to, just trying to eliminate things that I needed from my baby registry so that whenever I have my baby shower, I can kind of have it narrowed down so that I'm able to get the majority of things that I need without having to spend a lot of money, which has been my goal. I actually have thrifted a lot of baby clothing, baby items as well, so I will leave a link to my last video, which was a baby thrift haul. And I also wanted to show you guys a little haul, not haul, but some like a cute little package that my sister sent me with some little baby clothing items and more. So I think I'll start off with that. Also, I am wearing a new maternity dress. This is from the brand Hira, and this is actually a brand that is based out of San Francisco, and it is a female-owned business. So I thought that was super cool, and the owner reached out to see if I wanted to try out one of her dresses, and I'm actually thinking that I may wear this to the pumpkin patch next week. So I just wanted to try it on and see what it looked like. I can't really show you guys like a very good view right now, but what I'll probably do is insert a clip so you guys can get a better look at this beautiful denim blue dress. Okay, so first thing that my sister sent me is this adorable little oatmeal colored romper. So it has a little pocket here in the front, cute little bows, and this would be basically worn like over a little onesie of some kind, like t-shirt, long sleeve, that kind of a thing, maybe with some cute little baby tights and like a pair of moccasins. Would be so adorable. So that is super, super cute. She knows that I love neutrals, so everything that she got me is in the neutral color realm, like earth tone realm. She also sent this little lovey for baby boy. It's a cute little bunny in this happy yellow color, which I think is so cute. Looks really good with this denim blue dress, actually. So that is just for baby boy to cuddle with, basically. Super sweet. Here is another cute little romper. So this is, it's super, super soft, and it's in kind of like a warm brown, earthy brown color. We have these adorable buttons here at the top, so to be worn over some kind of a top also would look so cute with some little moccasins or something. I actually have some from a brand that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video later on. She also sent several pairs of little baby socks, white socks, and this pacifier clip. So cute with wood beads, white and wood beads. I still need to pick up a few pacifiers. I know those are a bit controversial, but I'll probably end up trying out pacifier at first just to see if my baby likes it or not. We'll see. And then lastly, she sent this super cute little bonnet with bunny ears, a little white bonnet. Sorry if that's not focusing. So that is so, so cute. You can tie it right here under their chin. And then it just has these floppy little bunny ears. So adorable and so sweet of my sister. So, oh, now lighting's all crazy on me. Let's see if I can fix this. So a huge thank you to Tia Rocio for those adorable baby items for baby boy. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna make it through everything. I'll probably have to do a part 2 to this video, but first up, let me show you those shoes that I was telling you guys about. So these are from the brand Starry Night, and they actually sent me a credit to shop their store. So I picked out, I think, 5 pairs of shoes. This pair actually is the pair for like the oldest age range. I believe these are for like 9 to 12 months or something like that. But they're these super cute, kind of like Oxford style shoes in suede and leather. How adorable is that with the little lace up detail there? So just 1 pair for when the baby is closer to 9 to 12 months. Okay, so this pair I believe is for newborn, and I picked this out for the newborn age range because I thought these would be so cute for like some newborn photos. So we've got a baby bear design in these little leather moccasin style type shoe. So I thought that was super cute. I think I have another pair for newborn and then a couple pairs for 3 to 6 month and then the 6 to 12 month mark. I can't quite remember. Okay, so here's a pair of actual moccasins with the like fringe on the back in this super adorable kind of like caramely gold color. How sweet are these? And I think these were the other pair of newborn, the other like newborn size that I picked out for like some cute newborn photos. So these are the 6 to, or like 3 to 6 month size, I believe. She had a certain name for these on her website, but I can't remember. I think it's like potato shoe or something like that. I could be totally wrong, but they are so cute and you can tell they're very easy to slip on. And these are in that like warm gold color as well, which I really, really like. And then another pair in that age range. So these are more of like a boot style. So they go a little bit higher on the ankle. So I was told not to really get a ton of shoes for baby, but I really wanted some cute ones for photos and things like that. So I'll definitely have my baby wear these as much as possible because I think they are just too cute and I cannot wait to style baby boy in those. Okay, so next up I have a nursing pillow from my Brest Friend, which came highly recommended in all of my research, especially because it has this extra arm here in the front to basically like support baby and make it easier for you while nursing. And I picked this out in just kind of like a very neutral oatmeal color, and I think that there are quite a few covers to shop from as well that you could put over this. Not sure, but I actually do like this neutral color, so I definitely knew that I was going to need one of these for all the nursing that I'm going to be doing with the newborn. So very, very excited to have this checked off of my registry. Okay, so next up I have 2 packages from Lovevery. This is their play kit for newborn, I believe, and then I also have their play gym. So let me just unbox these for you guys. So this is the Looker play kit for 0 to 2 months. So it comes with this mobile, very cool. Colorful on one side, black and white on the other side. This little wooden book, black and white cards, and some colorful cards it looks like. And in all the research I've done, black and white and vibrant colors are actually very important for baby development. So I love that this play kit comes with everything that I'm going to need for the first few months of baby's life to really work on their development, which is something that is very important to me. So I'm very excited to have these. And they have play kits for other age ranges as well. So as your baby grows, you can get the next play kit, and you'll always have what you need for the important development that is going on during that age range. So I'm very excited about those, and I'm also very excited about the play gym. So let me give you guys a quick look at that as well. Okay, so I'm not quite ready to set this up, but I'll try to give you guys like the general idea of the play gym. So we have the mat here, and there are all of these different kind of like tabs that also are used for working on baby's development. Here's kind of like a shiny section. There's a crinkle section, as I'm sure you guys can probably hear. Here is another section with all of the different colors. So these are all different for baby's development, and baby will start reaching for these in different weeks depending on what development is going on and what's like interesting them during that time. Ooh, that's actually really soft. So lots of things to basically attract baby's attention. And then we have these wooden arches that basically go over the mat, and they come with these different attachments, like this wooden toy here, this crinkly colorful toy, a black and white ball. I think this can actually go over the play gym. So like I said, I'm not going to set it up right now, but I will insert a photo for you guys so you can see what that play gym is supposed to look like all set up. But I'm very excited about that. I think that is going to be so great for baby. I definitely needed a play gym, so that is checked off of my registry, and was very, very generous of Lovevery to send me. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here because it is already probably pretty long and I have so many other things to show you guys. So I'm just gonna do another video with the rest of the baby haul that I wanted to share with you guys. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are an expecting mom or are planning to be, I hope this video helps you out as far as thinking of what you're going to need for your baby registry and that kind of thing. So if you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe, and also share with a friend or family or somebody that you think would enjoy this channel. That way you guys can help me grow on here. Also be sure to check me out on all socials at The Urban Darling. I am on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, the works. And check out my blog, theurbandarling.com, for more lifestyle content. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.